Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these gooey Nutella stuffed brownies. These brownies don't even last a day in my house. They're definitely a family favourite. Make sure you hit the subscribe button now so you're ready for all of my future recipes. We'll start with the Nutella layer because it needs to go in the freezer. Line your baking tin with greaseproof paper. Pour your Nutella onto the baking tin. You can use more if you want a thicker layer. Just don't use too much as it will be too heavy. You can then spread this out into a flat layer. Make sure you're pushing the Nutella out into the corners to ensure you're having an even distribution. Freeze this for at least 2 hours. Next up, we're going to make the brownie mixture. Melt your chocolate and butter either in the microwave in small bursts or over a pan of boiling water. Set this aside until it's cooled down. In the meantime, you can beat your eggs with your sugar in a separate bowl. Once you're ready, grab that chocolate and butter mix and pour it in. Stir the two mixtures together. You don't need to mix this too thoroughly, just make sure that the chocolate has distributed throughout the rest of the mixture. Next, we'll add the dry ingredients. So grab your cocoa powder and your flour and sieve these into the mixture. The dry ingredients need to be sieved to make sure there's no lumps. Stir this until it's just combined. This means that all of the ingredients have been distributed evenly, and then you stop. Overmixing can cause tough brownies which are too chewy. Once you're done, you can grab your Nutella from the freezer. It should feel much harder than when it went in. Remove the slab from the tray and replace the baking paper with a fresh sheet. You can then pour half of your brownie mixture on to make the base layer. As with the Nutella slab, make sure that you're pushing the brownie mixture out to all of the corners. Unfortunately, my camera stopped while I was sliding out the Nutella layer, but you just need to flip it so that it's on top of the brownie mix. If you get any tears or holes, you can just spread the Nutella so that it smooths over these. Once that's done, you can pour the remaining half of the brownie batter on top. The Nutella will be getting softer as it's out of the freezer, so you need to work quickly with this top layer, but don't put too much pressure as you don't want to make any rips in the Nutella. Make sure you're pushing it out to all of the corners, make sure the edges are completely covered with brownie mixture. Try and get that top layer as flat as you can. Put these in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Once they're done, you'll need to leave them to chill for at least 40 minutes in the tin. The Nutella's really soft, so you need to give it a chance to harden up again. You can decorate the top however you like. I've simply gone for a white chocolate bottom with grated milk chocolate curls on top. Once your 40 minutes chill time is up, transfer them to a wire cooling rack. You can give them another 10 minutes to settle, or if you can't wait, just dive straight in. The size that you slice them into is completely up to you. While you're cutting the slices, you'll need to wipe the knife after each slice as it's going to have gooey chocolate brownie and Nutella on it, and it will make the next slice much harder to cut if it's not a clean knife. You can store your brownies in an airtight container and they should keep for a minimum of a week. If your kitchen is quite warm, you can put them in the fridge. Just take them out 10 minutes before you want to eat them and the Nutella should be nice and gooey again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you liked it or if you tried it in the comments box below. Remember, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching.